This house is a little famous up here in Rochester. The guy's always got something for sale. There's always some cool classic cars up front by the road. And it looks like we've got 1949 Lincoln. 49 or 40, no, 51 actually. This Coronet, which is pretty awesome. I wish they weren't covered up at the moment, but this thing is cool. Talk about a rare vehicle. 54, glass roof. I think this is a Ford. I don't think this is a Mercury. I know they made the Mercuries. They were called Sunliners or Sun... Yeah, Ford. 1954. So it's a hardtop, pillarless hardtop, and you get that wild sunroof. I don't know a Ford guy, but that's cool. That is a neat vehicle, for sure. This thing needs restoration. It's pretty rough. So it's a Ford Crestline Skyliner. That's what it is. Pretty awesome.